Here is the Helicme drill brush attachment set. I just wanted to record a quick video today just to show you exactly what they're like, but perhaps most importantly show you how effective they are. So they can be used for so many different cleaning use cases. I'm actually using these to clean my shoes. I'll show you how effective they are in a second. In terms of using them, so easy. They attach to your drill just as you would attach any other drill bit. So really simple. And then yeah, you just press the drill button and it's going to go at a pace that your drill can provide and that relates to your drill's power. Now here is a trainer that was prior to cleaning, and this is a trainer after. And I reckon that took me about a minute, if that. Literally just dipping that in a cleaning solution and then holding it down like that. And it's got right into all the different crevices that you can see on that sole as well. But just look how effective it is. It's absolutely unbelievable. And you get various different other little accessory brushes as well, different sizes. So that's what's really effective about this drill set. It doesn't matter what you kind of cleaning you can get into where you need to go. So yeah, it's a really great attachment set. Really pleased I got it. Obviously using these on trainers, but you can use this on car seats, you know, upholstery, loads of other things as well. So very versatile. Really pleased with the quality of them as well. Haven't mentioned that. You know, I've been using this for some time and it's still firm and it's not kind of fraying and things like that. So yeah, overall, and also you get this little storage box that you can put them all away in at the end. So yeah, overall, can't ask for much more, particularly at the price point. I strongly recommend them.